Doorfit's been trading since 1952. It's a family business basically, which has been handed down to the sons. Yeah, well, I think looking at all the options, we wanted something with Doorfit sort of associated with the top end of the market, and basically because it's complied to all the standards, the TS 007 and the sole secure diamond standard was important to us.
Customers.
Well, basically it's got the lockdown function where a lot of 3-star cylinders, they can actually be snapped and gain access to the lock once snapped, whereas the ULTION basically does stop that occurring. Currently, as far as I know, no. ULTION.